Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assess the overall condition of the vehicle. Here on this front right wheel, you have very light rash right there, but the rest of that wheel looks good. Getting up close, nice and clean. The date code on the tire, 2023. Ton of tread left. Here on the paint, it has been repainted, at some point in its life, so it looks pretty good. We got a little bit of scuffs and scratches here and there. There's a little scratch. I could see some kind of hard water spots in the paint here and there, a couple little dimples. Otherwise, that's really nice. Get up close, you're going to see little flaws. Overall, that side mirror looks good. A little bit of fading in some spots. Get up close, you're going to see little flaws like that, little chips. Not a chip there. The rest of that looks good. Like I said, tires, those look awesome. A couple markings, a little bit of scuffs. Overall, that wheel looks good. Looking at the hood, typical little dimples from the repaint. A little bit of light fading. It could probably use a good paint correction to maybe kind of bring some of it back to life. We do offer that in-house. Got a chip there, a little bit of overspray on that. If you look down here, you can see some of the clear in the paint there. It's chipping off on that lower section. Those lenses look amazing, nice and clear. You do have a crease right there, a couple little chips. That wheel looks really nice. A couple small dents. You do have some damage right there. Looking at that wheel, man, that looks really good. Nice and bright. Manual top, so you unhook the little hinges, fold it back. I'm not quite sure what this little cover piece is, but there's the top. I just kind of folded this over. If you get up close here, you're going to see some cracking. Little flaws here and there, but man, this is just a fun car. Just a really cool overall car to drive. From 4 or 5 feet away, she looks amazing. Yes, when you get up close, inches away, you're gonna find little flaws. But otherwise, this is in great condition. All right, checking out the interior. This is absolutely gorgeous. Very, very nice. That looks good. Upper section's nice and clean. Window rolls up and down perfect. I mean, look at this trim. That trim is really, really nice. Typical wear on the floor mat. Here on that bolster. That edge looks good. A little bit of fraying right there. You have a hole in the seat there, a tiny little hole. That looks good. Upper section's clean. A couple light scuffs here and there on that steering wheel. Buttons look good. All that looks nice. Trying to scan the upper side of the dash. A couple light little scuffs. Gauges look good. I mean, absolutely gorgeous interior. The main wear is going to be here on the steering wheel and that center console lid. Here on this door panel, the window rolls up and down really, really nice. Super clean here. I mean, that is a really nice panel. Here on that trim, that looks amazing actually. Absolutely gorgeous. Get up close, you can just see how clean that plastic is. Carpet looks good. I do see some light stains. I don't see any rips and very little wear on that seat. The seat looks really good. You're going to see some wear on that console lid. Looking at that plastic up close. Nice and clean. Glove box looks good. Dash looks nice. Absolutely gorgeous on this side. In the trunk, got your spare tire, some of the tools. That looks really nice. And then you also have the cover to really clean up that top area and snap it all in. So here's that little cover. From what I can tell, it's in great condition. That'll come with the car. Solid trunk there. And then checking out the engine bay, we're just gonna scan through this. This looks really, really nice. Here on the underside of the hood. It's in great condition. Beautiful, beautiful engine bay. Let's check out the top here. It is like a vinyl material. That's in amazing condition. Nice and clear. That looks awesome. Really no complaints with the top here. That is in amazing condition.